QC tool quality for Besic. What is 7QC tool? The 7QC tools are a set of basic yet powerful techniques used for quality improvement and process analysis. There are 7 types. 1. 7 Basic Quality Control (QC) tools are designed to help identify and solve quality issues in a process or product. They are commonly used in quality assurance and improvement efforts. These tools include 1. Check sheets, 2. Histograms, 3. Pareto charts, 4. Scatter diagrams, 5. Cause and effect diagrams, also known as Ishikawa or fishbone diagrams, 6. Control charts, 7. Stratification. 1. Check sheet. Question: what is a check sheet and how is it used? Answer: a check sheet is a tool for collecting data on a specific process or problem. It helps in identifying patterns, trends, and areas where improvements can be made. Example: in a manufacturing setting, a check sheet could be used to track the number of defects occurring on each shift, helping to identify which shifts have the highest defect rates. 2. Histogram. Question: describe the purpose of a histogram. Answer: a histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of numerical data. It helps in visualizing the range and frequency of values, allowing for identification of patterns and outliers. Example: a histogram could show the distribution of product measurements, revealing if the product is consistently within the desired tolerance or if there are significant variations. 3. Pareto chart. Question: what is a Pareto chart and how does it help in decision making? Answer: a Pareto chart is a bar graph that displays data in descending order with the most frequent causes at the top. It is based on the Pareto principle, 80-20 rule, highlighting the vital few causes that contribute to the majority of the problem. Example: a Pareto chart could show the types of customer complaints, with the most frequent complaints at the top, allowing the company to focus its efforts on addressing the most impactful issues. 4. Scatter diagram. Question: explain the purpose and interpretation of a scatter diagram. Answer: a scatter diagram is a graph that plots two variables against each other, allowing for the identification of relationships between them. It helps in determining if there is a correlation, positive, negative, or no correlation between the variables. Example: a scatter diagram could be used to examine the relationship between machine speed and product quality, revealing if faster speeds lead to more defects or if there is no relationship. 5. Cause and effect diagram, Ishikawa or fishbone diagram. Question: what is a cause and effect diagram and how is it used to identify root causes? Answer: a cause and effect diagram, also known as Ishikawa or fishbone diagram, visually represents the potential causes of a problem, organized into categories like methods, materials, manpower, machinery, measurements, and environment. 5 ms+1e. Example: a fishbone diagram could be used to identify the causes of a product defect, exploring potential issues related to raw materials, manufacturing processes, equipment, or operator training. 6. Control chart. Question: describe the purpose and use of a control chart. Answer: a control chart is a tool for monitoring the stability of a process over time. It displays data points along with upper and lower control limits, helping to identify when the process is out of control and may require corrective action. Example: a control chart could monitor the consistency of a product's dimensions, alerting the operator if the process begins to drift outside of the acceptable limits. 7. Stratification. Question: what is stratification and how does it help in data analysis? Answer. Stratification is a method of dividing data into categories or groups to understand the influence of different factors on a process. It helps in identifying specific patterns or trends within the data. Example, stratification could be used to analyze customer complaints by product type, region, or time of day, revealing if certain product types or geographic areas have higher complaint rates.